Understanding the charm. Batting eyelashes, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, batting eyelashes. This expression is rich in imagery and cultural nuances, making it a perfect topic for those looking to deepen their understanding of English. So, let's unravel the mystery together and find out what it truly means to bat one's eyelashes. Batting eyelashes refers to the rapid opening and closing of one's eyelids, often in a deliberate, exaggerated manner. This action is typically associated with flirtation or attempting to appear innocently alluring. It's a non-verbal cue that can convey a variety of intentions, from playful seduction to a plea for favor. While the exact origin of this phrase is difficult to pinpoint, it's deeply rooted in the idea that eye movements can communicate feelings and intentions. Over the years, batting eyelashes has been popularized through literature and cinema, often portrayed as a gesture used by women to attract attention or express interest in someone romantically. In modern usage, the phrase can be both literal and figurative. Literally, it describes the action itself. Figuratively, it can refer to any attempt to charm or manipulate someone through subtle, coquettish behavior. To help you better understand how to use this expression, here are a few examples. She was batting her eyelashes at him across the room, clearly trying to get his attention. He didn't realize that batting his eyelashes wouldn't be enough to get out of the situation. Despite batting her eyelashes, she couldn't persuade her father to let her borrow the car. It's important to note that the interpretation of batting eyelashes can vary widely across different cultures. In some contexts, it might be seen as playful and harmless. In others, it could be considered overly forward or inappropriate. Understanding the cultural nuances is key to using this expression effectively and respectfully. We hope this video has shed some light on the charming phrase, batting eyelashes. Whether you're reading classic literature, watching a romantic comedy, or engaging in playful banter, you'll now understand the subtleties behind this fascinating expression. Remember, language is not just about words but the rich cultural tapestries they weave. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!